Our mechanisms for global cooperation are gridlocked. In rooms like this one at the United Nations, massive diplomatic bodies find themselves paralyzed by superpower rivalries. Veto powers block action, and legacy institutions designed for the mid-20th century struggle to address the complexities of a modern, interconnected planet. While diplomats debate, the consequences compound on the ground. Trillions of dollars are diverted into military spending, fueling cycles conflict where cities are flattened. Meanwhile, the gap between wealth and poverty has widened to the point where the richest 1% own half of the world's wealth. You might expect modern digital tools to bridge these divides, but the current digital landscape often does the opposite. Private platforms prioritize profit over social cohesion, creating addictive feedback loops that isolate youth, increase anxiety, and split communities into conflicting echo chambers. We are attempting to manage a high-speed, 21st century civilization using an outdated operating system. Our legacy power structures and commercial platforms were never built to handle the interconnected reality of the present. Now, drop the most powerful technology humanity has ever invented into that fragile, broken structure. Artificial intelligence acts as a massive multiplier. It acts as a massive multiplier on both the strengths and weaknesses of our society. If we deploy AI under our current rules, the risks scale rapidly. Deepfakes erode our shared reality, and automation threatens to displace millions without a corresponding shift in our economic model. Without a change in governance, AI could simply become the ultimate tool for concentrating power in the hands of a small elite. This leaves humanity with a choice. We can allow these technologies to exacerbate our existing crises, or we can use them as the foundation for a new architecture, a transparent, decentralized future world platform. Fixing the globe requires changing our perspective. Instead of waiting for top-down reforms, we have to zoom in and empower the neighborhood level first. This is the structure of a Unity Hub, a physical community center integrated with dedicated local digital tools to return power to the grassroots. The model draws on historical precedents, like the Prophet's Mosque in Medina. 1,400 years ago, this space functioned as a school, a welfare center, and a hall for civic debate, integrating spiritual life with local governance. In a modern Unity Hub, the digital tools are designed to facilitate real-world interaction. Instead of mindless scrolling, the app coordinates youth sports leagues, neighborhood coding clubs, and local skill-sharing marketplaces. The goal is for technology to serve as a bridge to face-to-face mentorship and community resilience, using digital convenience to strengthen physical bonds. These hubs reclaim power by shifting from top-down bureaucracy to direct, decentralized democracy. Residents use the platform to propose and vote on the issues that affect their own streets and schools. To support this, the platform introduces total financial transparency. Every dollar of a community's budget is recorded on an open blockchain ledger. This diagram shows funds moving from the public pool directly into specific local project buckets in real time. Continuously monitoring this ledger, AI acts as a 24/7 auditor, instantly flagging anomalies and unauthorized shifts, making it significantly harder to hide mismanagement or embezzlement. AI also assists citizens as an information consultant. It can digest thousands of pages of research to summarize policy options, fact-check claims in real time, and project the long-term impact of a local vote based on existing data. To prevent algorithmic bias, the AI models themselves must be open source and subject to review by an ethics council, a jury of everyday citizens who ensure the technology remains aligned with the community's values. When ordinary citizens are equipped with financial transparency and data-driven insights, they can govern their resources with a level of efficiency closed-door systems cannot match. This localized structure is the foundation for a global network. When thousands of these transparent digital hubs link up, they form a planet-wide grid of shared data and collective brainpower. AI removes the friction of distance and language barriers. Using real-time translation, a neighborhood council in Canada can seamlessly share resources or findings with a community in Nigeria, enabling direct peer-to-peer collaboration. This network powers the innovation engine. Because each hub is already connected for governance, they can function as nodes in a global research grid. Scientific challenges are broken down into collaborative games, where players contribute data or solve simulations to address massive problems. millions of citizens, guided by AI tutors, can crowdsource solutions for curing diseases, engineering sustainable agriculture, or cleaning ocean plastics. It moves science out of isolated labs and into the hands of the global community. By gamifying real-world research at scale, we can leverage the creativity of billions. This turns the entire planet into a cooperative engine for innovation. Transitioning to this system begins with pragmatic, local steps. The first stage involves launching pilot programs in willing neighborhoods and cities to prove the model works on a small scale. Success in these local hubs will eventually scale into regional alliances. Over time, this grassroots network can integrate with or provide a faster alternative to legacy international bodies that are currently struggling to keep pace with global crises. We cannot wait for current systems to fix themselves. Ordinary people must build and adopt this new civic architecture from the ground up, proving its value through participation. By combining neighborhood-level cooperation with verifiable blockchain records and AI analytics, we can replace systems of opaque control with a global framework built on verifiable trust and participation. This is the path toward a more unified and innovative future.